Do-it-yourself Dell with another eval here of a product that I really like. And a lot of the products that we look at are items that are new to me. Well, this isn't. I'm well acquainted with these. And what I like about these is that they're baked, and that means very, very, very little fat, if not zero. I think the saturated fat is 0 and the other fat's 2%. And the other thing's no cholesterol. Everything's got salt in it. And it's got, I guess that's about it. So these also come in different flavors. They come in the plain, and I think the barbecue, and I think sour cream and onion. But these are the cheddar and sour cream, so let's open them up and take a look. When I see these, they're not always at the store, but when I do see them, I always get a lot. And this put a bigger chip in here to show you. This is what they look like. Got the ridges and everything, and I already know what they taste like. The bags are not the real super huge big bags of potato chips, and the prices have gone up with the recent levels of inflation. So if you're like me and you really like these things, you're going to have to cough up when you go get them, and they tend not to last long. There you have it. An open and shut case, a slam dunk. Producer, please subscribe and comment.